Welcome to Brainwave Learning Hub. Today we're diving into a fascinating topic, solfeggio frequencies. Are these musical tones capable of healing the mind and body, or are they just another pseudoscientific claim? Let's break it down. In the world of sound and vibration, there exists a set of frequencies shrouded in mystery and whispered to hold profound healing powers. These are the solfeggio frequencies, 6 ancient tones rediscovered in the 20th century and believed to possess unique vibrational properties that can influence our physical, emotional, and spiritual well-being. From reducing stress and anxiety to promoting DNA repair and cellular healing, the purported benefits of solfeggio frequencies have captivated the minds of many. But are these claims rooted in scientific evidence, or do they belong to the realm of pseudoscience? This video delves into the captivating world of solfeggio frequencies, exploring their history, their alleged healing properties, and the scientific evidence, or lack thereof, supporting these claims. Join us as we embark on a journey into the heart of sound and vibration, where ancient wisdom intersects with modern science. Prepare to have your understanding of sound transformed as we unravel the mysteries of these ancient tones. The 6 core solfeggio frequencies are often referred to as sacred frequencies due to their purported connection to ancient musical scales and their potential to influence our well-being. Each frequency is believed to possess unique vibrational qualities that resonate with different aspects of our being. 396 Hz, associated with turning grief into joy, is believed to help release fear and guilt, allowing for transformation and positive change. It is said to cleanse the subconscious of negative thought patterns. 417 Hz, known for facilitating change and promoting a sense of clarity, is thought to help overcome trauma and negative experiences. It is said to encourage letting go of the past and embracing new possibilities. 528 Hz, often referred to as the love frequency or the miracle tone, is believed to have powerful healing properties, including DNA repair and cellular rejuvenation. It is said to promote harmony, love, and connection. 639 Hz, associated with connection and relationships, is thought to enhance communication, understanding, and empathy. It is said to strengthen bonds and promote harmonious relationships. 749 Hz, known for its cleansing and purifying properties, is believed to promote detoxification and clear blockages within the body. It is said to enhance intuition and self-expression. 852 Hz, associated with returning to spiritual order, is believed to awaken intuition and promote spiritual awareness. It is said to help connect with higher realms of consciousness. These frequencies, while intriguing, warrant further scientific investigation to validate their purported effects. Of the 6 solfeggio frequencies, 528 Hz, often called the love frequency, stands out for its extraordinary claims. Proponents believe this frequency possesses the remarkable ability to repair damaged DNA, the very blueprint of life. This belief stems from the observation that 528 Hz falls within the same vibrational range as certain frequencies used in genetic biochemists to repair DNA. Some researchers believe that 528 Hz, when played or chanted, can resonate with the water molecules within our bodies, which constitute a significant portion of our DNA structure. This resonance, they propose, could potentially correct vibrational imbalances within the DNA, leading to healing and rejuvenation. While the concept of DNA repair through sound is fascinating, it is crucial to acknowledge the lack of robust scientific evidence to support these claims.
The allure of solfeggio frequencies extends beyond their purported healing properties. They are also believed to hold a deep connection to ancient musical traditions. Some researchers suggest that these frequencies were intentionally incorporated into sacred music, such as Gregorian chants, to induce specific spiritual and emotional states. Gregorian chants, known for their ethereal beauty and calming effect, were a central part of monastic life in medieval Europe. These chants, sung in unison, were thought to elevate the spirit and bring the listener closer to the divine. The use of specific musical scales and intervals in these chants may have inadvertently incorporated solfeggio frequencies, creating a sonic environment conducive to contemplation and spiritual connection. The potential link between solfeggio frequencies and ancient music adds another layer of intrigue to their story. suggesting a long-standing fascination with the power of sound to influence human consciousness.
In recent years, sound therapy has gained increasing recognition as a complementary healing modality. This approach utilizes various forms of sound, including music, binaural beats, and tuning forks, to promote relaxation, reduce stress, and potentially address a range of physical and emotional imbalances. Solfeggio frequencies have found a place within sound therapy, with practitioners incorporating these specific tones into their sessions. The frequencies are often delivered through headphones or speakers, allowing the client to immerse themselves in the vibrations. While anecdotal evidence suggests that listening to solfeggio frequencies can induce relaxation, reduce anxiety, and promote a sense of well-being, further research is needed to understand the mechanisms at play and determine the efficacy of this approach. The science of sound, exploring the potential mechanisms of action. While scientific understanding of how solfeggio frequencies might work is still in its infancy, some theories attempt to explain their potential effects. One prevalent theory revolves around the concept of resonance. Everything in the universe, including our bodies, vibrates at specific frequencies. When we are exposed to external frequencies, such as sound waves, our bodies can resonate with those frequencies. Proponents of solfeggio frequencies suggest that these specific tones can resonate with our cells, organs, and even our DNA, potentially inducing a state of balance and harmony. Another theory posits that solfeggio frequencies can influence brainwave entrainment. Brainwave entrainment refers to the brain's tendency to synchronize its brainwave frequencies with external stimuli, such as sound or light. By exposing the brain to specific frequencies, it is believed that we can induce desired brainwave states, such as those associated with relaxation, focus, or creativity. These are just a few of the proposed mechanisms through which solfeggio frequencies might exert their effects. Further research is crucial to explore these theories and uncover the true nature of these frequencies' interaction with the human body. A call for critical inquiry. Separating hype from evidence. While the potential benefits of solfeggio frequencies are intriguing, it is essential to approach this topic with a healthy dose of critical thinking. The field of sound healing, while gaining traction, is still in its early stages, and much of the evidence supporting the efficacy of solfeggio frequencies remains anecdotal. It is crucial to differentiate between anecdotal evidence, which is based on personal experiences and testimonials, and scientific evidence, which relies on rigorous research methods, controlled studies, and peer-reviewed publications. While anecdotal evidence can be compelling and often forms the foundation for further scientific inquiry, it should not be misconstrued as definitive proof of efficacy. A discerning approach, coupled with a thirst for knowledge and a willingness to explore both the possibilities and the limitations of these frequencies, will ultimately lead to a more comprehensive understanding of their true potential.
The future of sound healing, possibilities, and unanswered questions. The exploration of solfeggio frequencies is a testament to the enduring human fascination with sound and its potential to heal and transform. As technology advances, and our understanding of the subtle energies within and around us deepens, the field of sound healing is poised for exciting discoveries. Imagine a future where sound therapy, informed by rigorous scientific research, becomes an integral part of mainstream healthcare. Envision a world where specific frequencies are utilized to treat a wide range of ailments, from chronic pain and anxiety to sleep disorders and even cellular degeneration. This is the promise and the potential that lies at the intersection of ancient wisdom, modern science, and the transformative power of sound.
Conclusion: a harmonious blend of ancient wisdom and modern science. The journey into the world of solfeggio frequencies is a testament to the power of curiosity, exploration, and the harmonious blend of ancient wisdom and modern science. While scientific validation of their purported effects remains an ongoing endeavor, the allure of these ancient tones continues to captivate the minds of many. As we delve deeper into the mysteries of sound and its profound impact on our physical, emotional, and spiritual well-being, we open ourselves to a world of possibilities. The future of sound healing is bright, filled with the promise of groundbreaking discoveries that may forever change our understanding of healing, consciousness, and the very essence of life itself. Let the journey continue, guided by the wisdom of the past, the knowledge of the present, and the boundless potential of the future.